Okay, so we are back, and I want us to understand how Animate Presence works, right? So you can see right here that we have a toggle alert button, okay, and then we have a sample code right here, which is put in a component called alert message right there. Then we have our class name, alert message, and then that's been styled inside our app.css right here. All right, cool. So let's go back. Now you can see that we have an initial and an animate and then a transition, just like we've always done. Okay. But look at this. I click, it comes with this beautiful animation, and then I click, and then it just vanishes, right? It doesn't look pretty. Okay, so we want to specify an exit animation for that, right? Now, for the exit animation, we pretty much just wanted to leave the same way it came back in, right? So we just say exit, and I can just copy this right here, and I can just paste it right here. Okay, and then this would be our exit animation. Okay, so look at that. I'm going to click, and then you can see that it still hasn't changed anything. It's still the same thing. It comes in with a pretty animation and just leaves, just vanishes just like that, right? Now we want to fix this by introducing the animate presence prop right here, right? So the animate present prop pretty much just makes this possible. Okay, so I would import that, and I'll just push it to the bottom just like this, and then look at the difference, right? Look at the difference. Make sure you save, right? I have auto save on, so yeah, just make sure you save, and then let's try. Right, you can see that the animation is seen. The exit animation is actually seen now. All right, so that's pretty much it's that's the simplest um, version and use case of what we can use Animate Presence for. But you might want to go into more details by using the modes. Right, by default we have the sync mode, right, that we are currently using, and then we have wait and then pop outs. Right, yeah, but in most use cases you only be using a sync. So and since it's the default, you can just let it be. Like you can just remove the mode altogether, right? In case you want to see much more explanations, you can see right here. The wait is mostly used for onboarding. You can see it says only renders one component at a time, waits for the existing component to reanimate out before animating the next component in, right? So it's pretty much used for onboarding pages or maybe tutorials or something where you have to pretty much click to scroll through, right? You see what I'm trying to say? All right, cool. So that is what the wait is for. We have the pop layout. Exiting animations are popped from the page layout, allowing sibling elements to immediately occupy their new layouts, right? Exactly. And then also the sync, just like I said, um, elements animate in and out as soon as they're added or removed. So yeah, that's pretty much it, right? But the most basic use case that you'd always be using animate presence in is in the sync mode, which is already the default. So we do not have to specify it in the code right here. All right. So yeah, thank you very much for getting to this part of the lesson. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next